Could you sum up for me what happened with T-Mobile?
T-Mobile came into our residential area. None of the neighbors in Northridge were ever notified until we got a notice from the city that they had applied to put a cell tower, 12 antennas and one cheap GPS antennas on top of a two-story building, which is within 15 feet of residential homes and within 15 feet a children's school. The neighborhood got together and it took us 8 months of work, hard work, to stop that from going in.
How would that have affected your neighborhood?
If
The property values would have gone down.
there was a real estate right across the street from that proposed building that said the property values would drop 30% on the homes in the area, as well as, after doing a thorough investigation of cell towers, I've taken pictures of every cell tower in the area. There's radiation comes from the cell towers.
How did you find out about all of these effects?
I have had to research for 8 months, research cell towers.
And so can I just get your opinion maybe about T-Mobile and the way they went about this?
T-Mobile is ruthless.
So back to your reaction about T-Mobile. What were you saying about them? About T-Mobile.
T-Mobile, if they
What were
really
you saying
cared
about
about a community, T-Mobile, if they really cared about a community in industrial areas, areas where there weren't homes, but when they put a cell tower within 20 foot of schools where little children are, and on a cell tower, I have taken pictures of every cell tower in this area. Within a 4-mile radius of Saticoy and Louise, there are 224 cell towers of the different companies, and there's 8 applications at this moment, and there's more coming. So they're ruthless in what they're doing. And it used to be they would put them more in industrial areas. Now they're moving them right into the residential areas, right by the homes. And on a cell tower, I've taken pictures of the warnings on a cell tower, and what the warning is on the cell tower says, great big red letters, danger. Do not walk within 6 foot of a cell tower antenna. Dangerous.
Explosive.
Danger, tremendous batteries, very explosive, all acid batteries, very dangerous. And if you're for a worker working on a cell tower, he must have, and it states it right on the warning, that you should have all the protective clothing to protect yourself from the dangers of a cell tower. And that's what they're putting within 15, 20 feet of homes, schools, and like that.
Could you pinpoint an exact location of a tower? Should I want to take a picture of that warning?
Well, take a picture at Louise and Roscoe.
Louise and Roscoe.
Right in the center. And you can get real close there and you can take a picture of that warning. And you'll see how dangerous that is.
And they're very tall and very ugly.
Yeah.
Ugly as can be. And they were going to put it on the roof of the building behind us, and the building was 25 foot tall, and it would have added another 10 feet. And we would have had a look at that, and we're all in one-story homes. And the ugliness of it was horrible.
Yeah.
It would actually, what would have happened, we had to spend 8 months defeating T-Mobile on that. We had a hearing before the zoning commissioner, and we was able to stop it. And they said they wouldn't appeal it. It's in all, look it up on your computer. The whole story's on a computer. And on and on it goes, really. I could talk all night about the dangers of it.
Okay.